So you want to be an expert using the actual Microsoft Teams for the project management? I'm going to show you how to get started totally for free today inside TechExpress. First of all, what you need to do is to set up your Teams Entity channel. So you can start by creating a team for your product and channels for a specific topic of workspaces with the actual project. So this helps you organize communication and collaboration. You can go directly into Microsoft.com, go into Teams and go into download. If you have a Windows computer, you can find that the Microsoft Team by default has already been set up automatically. So you can just go directly inside your Windows section, go into the Teams, and here automatically it's going to be opened for yourself. So what you wanted to do is to sign in with your Microsoft account, and you're going to be now signed in. Now, what you wanted to do is to customize the tab and the application to send it in. So I'm going to go here into OK, your Outlook, your Skype, all the information to be provided in here. And you can see that I have all the actual information about my clients, about the meetings, about my chatting, the people, and all of that. Now here what you wanted to do is to collaborate on documents. Now I'm going to make this a little bit much more big enough so you can see how we can get started with the actual Meet. First of all, let's talk about the actual mini section into the upper side. The mini section into the upper side is how you're going to be seeing here all the recommendations if you wanted to make like a quick meeting, a quick chat, or locate your actual content inside the mini section. You can move this into one place or another one. I'm going to close this, and now let's moving on into the actual activity. The activity is going to be showing you meet now, later. If you have any calling right now, you have to schedule a meeting for later. All the activity, everything that you've done here into the Microsoft Teams is going to be appearing automatically here. Now moving on into the actual community. Now community is going to be helping you to connect one place to make announcements. You can check out to plan events, get things done easily and faster. You can join or create your own community today. So if I go for create a community, let's say for example, we're going to get starting with a TechExpress and go for description. This is just an example. Of course, if you wanted to add an image for your community, you can do it. Let's say for example, our logo of our website, and go for create. And automatically your community is now being created, and everybody here can enter directly into your community. You can type post, you can enter photos, you can check out their events, you can create more stuff, and of course enable email notifications. Now moving on into the actual chat. The chat is going to be helping you to connect with all the users that you have added or contact them through the actual email. You can start a new chat, start a meeting, or invite friends and the family directly into the Teams. If I go into new chat, you can go for linking an Android phone to link your phone and send and receive SMS messages to your actual team. Sometimes it's much more faster to do this way because you don't have to look out for the context from your phone and into the computer, since that all the linked Android phones going to be added automatically here. The calendar is going to encourage you to open communication, engagement among the team leaders using features. You can use the ID, you can use the meetings, you can check out more stuff automatically here. I'm going to go into the three dots, and let's say for example I'm going to get starting with my first meeting. You can enter the name, the email, the phone number. When it comes here, what is the actual real time? If this is all the day, there's now repeated, the location, and all the things to be done here inside the actual meeting. I'm going to go into save, and my meeting automatically is going to be saved. Now, the best thing here is that when I created an actual team, I created a meeting to be working on later, all this element is going to be added, of course, sent directly into the calendar of by Microsoft. And if you have an actual Android, this element is going to be appearing into your phone as well, which I think is going to be really great. You can open the meeting chat, and you can see that everybody who is inside this actual meeting is now into the conversation. I'm going to go hello everybody. Directly here into the chat, I have now more elements. I can add polls, I can add questions, I can add so much more elements directly inside the actual Microsoft Team. And check out how of the actual card work. So all of this thing that I just showed you is totally for free. If you have your Microsoft account, if you have an Android account, I believe that stuff like this can be done easily, faster, and you don't have to do like a lot of those elements. Of course, you can update your plan. There's a lot of elements that comes with the new upgraded of the actual Microsoft Teams. So for example, there's the 365, there's the family buttons, but that's totally up to you. You want to focus into, let's say, more than just working into a PC. You can work into a Mac. You have 1 terabyte of cloud storage So hopefully guys, this was a comprehensive guide of how you can get started with the actual chatting or absolutely everything here into Microsoft Teams. If you want guys to figure out how you can use this into an Android, you can let us know down below in the comments below. So hopefully this was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel guys, hit the notification bell, and well, hopefully we can all see you to brand new video of TechExpress.